self-care and the body. We have to stop thinking of our body as causing us pain or discomfort or doing something wrong or inappropriate. It really is just trying to communicate with us. And the more we think of how we use our body as a style of maintenance, the more appropriately we'll address the issues before they become injuries and blocks in the way we're trying to achieve things. If you think every day, well, how am I maintaining my body? This is going to be a lot more productive until waiting months from now when you're like, oh, my body's causing me pain. And this disassociation from the body and you causes a whole another challenge to overcome as well. So it's always very good to stay present in our body, treat our body as we would treat our loved ones, take care of it, nurture it, listen to it, and it will treat you good with growth and longevity.